fight that does it, isn't it? Yes. Well, that's easy. No, it's not. And I can't be the one to do it, okay? It has to be an alpha. Well, then you get him to do it. I don't even know who he is, okay? Trust me, this whole thing is so much more complicated than you think. There's others. There's hunters.
And what? What hunters?
Werewolf hunters.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, jerk off. There's a whole family of them, and they carry assault rifles. Do you get that? Assault rifles.
Them?
What? No.
Oh my God, that actually makes sense. Allison Argent. Oh my God, you don't get it. You've been with her this long and you never actually asked them.
Her name, idiot. Do you know what argent means in French? It means silver.
Now this is what I like to see. Rivals turned allies. You know there's no me in team, right, boys?
Yes, there is, Coach.
Okay, smartass. How about this? No A in econ if no win on field. Good? Huh? Perfect. Good.
So what are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna give you a chance to give me what I want. What's 3 days, huh? 72 hours. That's all you get, Scott. 72 hours.
What if I can't?
Oh, come on, McCall. That's not a winning attitude.
Go, huddle up. Let's go. Big night. Big night.
That one, that's Jackson.
Holy hotness. Oh, if I was in high school again. Maybe just a substitute teacher.
You are sick.
You should be all over that. Chris, you remember how we were talking about a second beta? The other one?
Yes.
Can you get turned by Scratch?
If the claws go deep enough. Maybe.
Wonder how deep those went.
Ready? Yeah! Now let's say it so they can hear it. Hands in.
What are we?
That's right. Take the field. Let's go.